Welcome back to the channel. Take a look at this. At first glance, it looks completely fake, but here's the shocking truth. It actually exists! Have you ever seen an animal and thought, there is absolutely no way that evolved on Earth? Well, you're not alone.
Today, we're uncovering the strangest creatures on the planet. Animals with superpowers so unbelievable, they seem like glitches in nature itself. Some can survive without food for years. Some can become nearly invisible. Some can even survive the vacuum of space. By the end of this video, you'll question everything you thought you knew about biology. Let's dive into the world's weirdest animal superpowers.
Let's start with one of the most unbelievable creatures ever discovered, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This microscopic animal has a superpower that sounds like science fiction. When conditions become too harsh, it can enter a special survival state where it almost completely shuts down its body. In this state, it can survive extreme cold, intense heat, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space.
And even long space missions could become far less dangerous. The most incredible part? A creature smaller than a grain of sand has become one of the toughest living organisms ever known. And somehow, the next animal's superpower is even stranger. It doesn't survive danger, it almost disappears before your eyes.
The next animal doesn't rely on strength. It relies on deception. Meet the Mimic Octopus, one of the smartest and strangest creatures in the ocean. Instead of fighting predators, it changes its appearance to imitate other dangerous animals. Within seconds, it can transform its body to resemble a venomous sea snake, a lionfish, or even a poisonous flatfish. Imagine swimming toward what looks like a deadly predator, only to discover it was an octopus the entire time. Scientists believe this incredible ability helps it confuse predators and avoid becoming someone else's meal. What's even more amazing is that it doesn't just change its color, it changes the shape of its body, the way it moves, and even how it behaves to match the animal it's copying.
It's nature's ultimate master of disguise. But if you think that's unbelievable, the next creature has a superpower that sounds completely impossible. It can regrow parts of its own body, almost like a real-life superhero. What if losing an arm wasn't permanent? Meet the axolotl, one of the most extraordinary animals on Earth. This unusual amphibian has a superpower that scientists are still trying to understand. If it loses a leg, its tail, or even parts of its heart or spinal cord, it can regenerate them with remarkable accuracy. Instead of forming large scars, its body rebuilds the missing tissue, making the new body part work almost like the original.
Imagine if humans had this ability. A serious injury that changed someone's life forever could one day heal in a completely different way. That's why researchers study the axolotl so closely, hoping its biology could lead to future medical breakthroughs. The most fascinating part? It carries this incredible ability throughout its life, making it one of nature's greatest regeneration experts. But even the axolotl isn't the strangest creature on this list, because the next animal has a superpower so unbelievable, it can create its own electricity. Imagine reaching into the water and getting hit by a living bolt of electricity. Meet the electric eel, one of nature's most shocking creations. This incredible fish can generate powerful electric discharges using specialized cells that work like tiny biological batteries. It uses these electric pulses to hunt, defend itself, and even navigate through dark, muddy water where visibility is almost zero. One powerful shock can stun nearby prey in an instant, giving the eel a huge advantage before its target even has a chance to react. But that's not all. Scientists have discovered that electric eels can also use weaker electrical signals to sense objects around them, almost like having a built-in radar. It's a superpower that seems more like advanced technology than biology. And somehow, the final creature on our list has an ability that may be even harder to believe. It can become almost completely invisible. The final creature on our list is the incredible glass frog. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary frog, but look closer. Its skin is so transparent that you can actually see many of its internal organs through its body. When it rests beneath a leaf, it becomes incredibly difficult for predators to spot, blending almost perfectly into its surroundings.
Nature created a master of camouflage that looks almost invisible. From the nearly indestructible tardigrade to the shape-shifting mimic octopus, the regenerating axolotl, the shocking electric eel, and the transparent glass frog, these animals prove that reality is often stranger than fiction. Which animal superpower amazed you the most? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts and unbelievable mysteries from nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.